Namaste und herzlich willkommen in Bombay. Heute machen wir eine Indo-Chinese Rezept und das heißt Vegetarian Manchurian oder Veg-Manchurian. Das ist sehr populär in Indien als Snacks. Es ist auch gesund, weil es viele Veggies und wichtige Nährstoffe enthält. Sie können das Rezept entweder in der Beschreibung oder auf meiner Website Bombay finden. So viel Spaß beim Kochen, Lernen und Essen. So here we go with the recipe. In a bowl, take finely blended cabbage. I have blended them in mixer. Finely blended carrot. Then add to it all the other veggies you feel like. Like I've added beans and onions and paprika or capsicum. Add to it finely chopped garlic, salt, cornflour and all-purpose flour. You can also add a little soya sauce and make it into a dough. Drizzle some pepper powder. I forgot to add the red color. You can add little color to give it a good red Manchurian balls. Start making balls from the dough. Small in shape and keep it aside. Fry them in the hot oil until it turns little crispy as well as golden in color. Take another bowl, add to it cornflour, water, and then add all the sauces like we have hot sauce, tomato ketchup, soya sauce and vinegar. Stir it firmly and then keep it aside. After you heat the pan, add little oil and then add all the finely chopped ginger, more garlic, green chilies, and julienne cabbage. Toss it on the medium flame. You can also add onions, leftover onions and spring onions. Keep a little for the garnishing part and use the rest of it. Saute it delicately and then add the sauce that we just made. Add the sauce and keep it on low flame. You can also add little more of soya sauce. Add little water, the consistency that you require. If you need more of gravy, then you can add more water. And if you like to eat it as a snack, then keep it dry. Add salt after checking it, and then add the fried balls that we kept aside. And toss it very delicately so that it doesn't break. And here you go, it's ready. So garnish with freshly chopped julienne, cabbage and spring onions and eat it hot. Tell me how you like it. Thank you. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up when you like it.